Welcome to this presentation. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on Indra Nooyi, a corporate giant. Before we going to start the essay, we must take a background of a little bit of her. She has become a part of Amazon as well as PepsiCo company, you know better. So this is very interesting story of her life, how she has separated personal as well as professional life for her family. Generally, we are working in both private as well as government services. We know better, both things are different, but in corporate world there is a requirement of whole workaholic person. In government we know better the situation of government services. In government services also a requirement of workaholic, but here it will be take your every moment for the company, for the corporate world. So let's see what are the contents included into this particular chapter. I will just make it summarization. Let's see. This is the semester second. Last semester we have seen different chapters, but in this semester we are going to learn the very important first chapter of this semester, that is Indra Nooyi, a corporate giant. Let's talk on about the essay. Indra Krishnamurthy Nooyi was born in 1955, is an Indian born American business executive who served as CEO of PepsiCo till 2018. She is currently serving on the board of directors of Amazon. This essay talks about Indra Nooyi's rise to the top at the PepsiCo, her work ethics, and how she directed company's global strategy while ably handling her personal and official responsibilities. It is very important while we are working with any company or any offices, we must not include our personal and official responsibility simultaneously. This means that we should separate both work, personal and official work. Let's start what is exactly in article or essay. Indra Nooyi, a corporate giant. The a current article explores Nooyi's work ethic and her contribution to the development of the company PepsiCo. It also discusses her management style as well as the conflict that rose between her professional and private life and how she was able to balance the two. It is a very important part of our life. We should put a balance between personal and professional life or service. It should not be intermingled each other. Putting a stamp of approval on her 12-year stint with the corporation, the PepsiCo board said in a statement, I quote, "We are exceedingly fortunate to have a leader of Indra's caliber, vision, and experience to take the helm. She has been instrumental to PepsiCo's solid direction and ongoing success and has the accomplished endorsement and support of the board. It is a very important part. When we work in corporate world, it requires teamwork. Otherwise, we are not doing anything else. We will unable to get the target without help of team. Indra Nooyi's meteoric rise to the helm of corporate affairs is a remarkable and steady climb to fame. From her roots in Chennai, where she grew up, Indra Nooyi hitched her career aspiration to a star and has emerged as one of the most recognized icons of corporate success to originate from India, being cited among rankings of global corporate achievers for the past few years. She has become popular amongst the corporate, and she has a great position in corporate world. Due to that, she become an ideal person for a corporate person. Nui joined the famous food and beverage company in 1994 as a senior vice president of corporate strategy and development, and has been credited with shaping PepsiCo's current focus on the convenient foods and beverage business, and has served as a president and chief financial officer since 2001. This is related to her background in PepsiCo's company. When she was also named to PepsiCo's board of directors as the fifth CEO, is PepsiCo's 40-year-old history. She brings tremendously unique skill to the job. The former CEO, Steve Raymond, said of her, Indra record of transforming PepsiCo speaks for itself, and she has been an invaluable partner and ally throughout my time as CEO. On his part, Raymond, who has been with PepsiCo for 22 years, described it as the toughest and easiest decision of my life. After 22 years with PepsiCo's more than 5 of them a chairman and CEO, I have decided that my family is entitled to more time from me than the responsibilities and obligations of continuing as PepsiCo CEO requires deserve. He said, named among the pathums of 50 most powerful women in business by Fortune magazine's is recent issues 14 November 2005. Indra Nooyi was ranked 11th, sharing recognized recognition with several other outstanding women in the global corporate arena. This is all about her achievement in PepsiCo as well as other company. But here, Raymond expressed his own thought about the corporate giant, that is Nooyi, Indra Nooyi. She has been occupied, or she has been awarded, or she has been worked with different skills and principles. She followed principles, ethics and norms and rules and regulation of company, and company has reached at the topmost in the world due to her workaholic as well as her tact as well as her skill. So this is all about the skills and tacts which is used in corporate world. This is all the things related to her. Indra Nooyi has directed the company's global strategies for over a decade and was the primary architect of the restructuring, including the divestiture of its restaurants into successful units, brands, including spin off the public offering company owned battling operation into Anchor Bottle, Pepsi Bottle Group, PBG. It is all the thing related to her. Now we have to move another page. This is not possible to us go through line by line. Just I will try to make it summarization. In previous page we discussed on her achievement in the company called PepsiCo. Why she has become a giant? Due to her work skill as well as to make an adjustment with others. We know better that we must work in committed our own selves. If we commit own self, then definitely we will do work from others also. She has taken as a directors. She has taken number of different responsibilities in a similar company, and company CEOs believes in herself. So let's see another part of this chapter. Recently, Nui has been driving critical cross business initiatives to enhance operation and enable to PepsiCo's to meet changing needs of consumers and retailers. The company said, speaking on baseball behalf of PepsiCo's board of directors, presiding director Robert E. Allen said, "We have seen firsthand the difference that Indra has made on the business and the people, and we took forward to working even more closely with her to use her in her next generation of dramatic growth and cement that has been a hallmark of PepsiCo since a founding." This is all opinion about her by different people in similar company called the PepsiCo. On her part, Nui described her elevation as a humbling experience. It is very important in our life. When we get success in our life, we should not leave the earth. We should not go in a year. This is a humbleness of our person. Let's see what are the humbling here. Her experience. I quote, "I am humbled by opportunity to lead PepsiCo's and profoundly grateful to follow in the footsteps of Steve Rinmont, Roger Enrico, Wayne Cowley, and Don Cannondale. Steve has steered the company to a strong and invaluable positions, and he will be a continuing source of wisdom and perspective. I am equally fortunate to have amazing partners, not only on the board and executive team, but in the 157,000 bright, talented colleagues around the world who deliver the results every day and are as committed as I am to continue capturing every growth opportunity," Noise said. This is very important quotation of her. She expresses her own experience through company. She explained here this success is not only by oneself or by herself, because I am equally fortunate to have amazing partners not only on the board and executive team, but in the 157,000 bright, talented colleagues around the world who deliver the result every day and are as committed as I am to continue capturing every growth opportunity. This is a very important part in the corporate world. There is no single person responsible for failure or success of company or any product. This is the responsibility of each and every person. Here, Indra Nooyi expresses her own self. He has given equal part of success of this particular company to all his colleague as well as board of who work with herself. This is all the thing. This is the main content of the this chapter. Let's see. There are many interesting aspects of Indra Nooyi's successful journey to the top of prominent global corporation. The one we had I would like to take note of here is her explanation of how she was able to handle her official and personal responsibilities. She hired nannies. She hired nannies and had a helpful family support system. PepsiCo, however, seems to have gone a good deal further, at least for its senior staffers, in creating a support system for their parental roles. Nui has said her 9-year-old daughter would come from school and only had to call the office to say she wanted to come over to be near her mother. The office would arrange the details. She says it wasn't uncommon to find her daughter sitting with her company's founder chief or doing her homework in the offices of other executives. She talks of how it was usual for the entire senior team to lend a hand with other children's when the need arose, how the office telephone receptionist was trained to handle her children's queries and monitor their schedule when her when herself would be traveling on work. This is very important part. Even though the any work of any person from his office will help her 9-year-old child, it means she has not allowed to mix up her personal life as well as professional life. She has been trained many senior colleagues of her to help her daughter. This is all about this page. Let's see another chapter or another part of this essay, which is very important part. I think this is almost all we have covered it, and this is very important part of our life. Lastly, I would like to here pointed out from this particular chapter, Indrano is a giant. How she becomes a giant in a corporate world due to her workaholic personality, as well as she has some good qualities with herself, that is humanity, ethics, adjustment, and to do work with the team. It is very important message from this essay we got. In corporate world we have lot of money along with more responsibility rather than other work. So this is almost I have given little bit summarization. Let's see, if you have any comment, you may comment in the box. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.